This is AutoGroq, the frickin' tutorial series. Lesson 3. Groq? Hell yeah, Groq.
New technology is expensive, but thanks to Moore's law, economies of scale and innovation, the price tends to drop as capabilities increase. One company is leading the charge to bring us faster and cheaper AI, Groq Incorporated. It's important to understand that when you type your first request into AutoGroq, the reason it can spit out an entire team of AI agents in just a few seconds is due entirely to the ridiculously fast inference engine our friends at Groq have invented. This example from an earlier video represents a half-dozen AI requests and responses all made in the blink of an eye. Sure, you can run AutoGroq on local LLMs and it does okay. But the difference between running it locally and running against the Groq API are like night and day. Back when Google first started, I remember thinking they were nuts. I mean, hard drive storage cost $1 a megabyte, and they were trying to archive the entire internet. But what I didn't anticipate, and Google did anticipate, was the costs would drop and capacity would increase. That's where we are now with AI technology. What took us 10 minutes 10 months ago takes us 10 seconds today, thanks to Groq. We're moving toward a time when something that used to take 10 months can be done in 10 milliseconds, and that's not hyperbole. Our friends at Groq are the pioneers blazing that trail, and I'm staying right behind their wagon. It's worth noting that I'm not in any way affiliated with Groq. They're a privately held company, and I don't own a share. They were nice enough to feature one of my libraries on their website, and that's the extent of our relationship. I'm a fanboy with absolutely no skin in their game. That's all. Still, I can't say enough good things about the company or their innovations. Face it, without Groq, there'd be no AutoGroq.
Auto,